Structure is important. It helps to keep order in your screenplay. It helps to realize when certain things are supposed to happen. But it's not everything. Just like plot and story, conflict resolution is not everything. You need much more. And that starts with a line that runs through from the beginning of your screenplay to the end of your screenplay. And as I've said, that depends on what your characters do in your screenplay. And that again depends on your plot, your story, your conflict, and the conflict resolution. But that again depends on something else. How your characters act and react to things. How your characters speak. What is important to your characters.